is the view from our state, Dabba state. Oh, looks like Kailash mountain. Everywhere I see this, it looks like Kailash. Especially the sun shining on that. Beautiful. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. What's with this helicopter? I don't understand. Why is it like this? I don't feel like leaving this place. Only 500 meters. Never felt so far. Manifesting that I should get to see this background before I leave. And Har Har Mahadev, Jai Bholenath. Thank you so much, Jai Shri Kedar. Har Har Mahadev. Good morning, guys. Time now is 2:38 a.m. Our darshana slot was at 3 o'clock. We finished our darshana within 10-15 minutes. We were here for almost 20-30 minutes, and then we went inside, did Rudrabhishekam, and this is what you see: Chandana, honey, and Chandana, honey, ghee, all of that. We did Abhisheka to the Jyotirlinga, post which they did this, they gave this to us after giving the Dakshina. And once you go inside the shrine, you will see that you will notice Veerabhadra Swami right opposite Nandi facing the Jyotirlinga, and also Pandavas statues on the idols on the four sides also, with including Lakshmi Narayan also. So do not miss when you come here. These minute details is what some people miss. So without fail, next time when you come to Kedarnath, to Jai Shri Kedar temple, make sure you bat an eye on this. And the temperature here is 3 degrees. So it's fully misty. You can see nothing here. That is the Kedarnath Sri Jai Shri Kedar temple that you can see from behind. Morning Aarti will happen now, so we will finish that, and then we will be heading towards Kal Bhairav Mandir, which is definitely must and should visit when you come to Kedar, because no matter any Shiva temple you visit, you should always get the blessings of Kala Bhairav. So without Kala Bhairav's blessings, they say that the temple visit is null and void. So it is of no use, and you will not get any kind of fruit out of it. So yes, that's about the little information, piece of information that I wanted to share with you guys. And let's click some nice pictures. I'm so sleepy, so sleep deprived. Yesterday night also I didn't sleep. Tonight also probably won't be sleeping. Sorry, last night also didn't sleep. The place where we stayed was extremely terrible, with no power and electricity, and no basic facilities. So yeah, that's my Pinny who just went. I have a strong feeling that this is Nandi only. I don't know why I'm feeling so overwhelmed and full of tears. Asking him to give me his darshana yesterday somehow, and today morning I got his. He's sitting just like you see in the idol, right in front of Kedar. This is none other than my Nandi Mahadev.
Oh, so beautiful.
View from outside. Oh, looks like Kailash mountain. Everywhere I see this, it looks like Kailash. Especially the sun shining on that. Beautiful. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Waking up in Kedarnath the next morning feels like waking up in another world. Mountains behind the temple was fully covered with mist previous day when I reached here. So due to light rains and the gloomy weather, this morning when I saw the snow-clad hill view, I couldn't wait to see this view at all. The temple bells were ringing, people slowly started preparing in line for darshan, and the vibe here was extremely peaceful. Honestly, waking up here feels like a dream. You just don't want the moment to end. Good morning, guys. After having a power nap of 2 hours, Pini had not seen Bhimshila and Adi Shankaracharya's statue, so we went there and after some photo shoots and shooting some videos, now we are walking towards Bhairav Baba Mandir, and it is really a beautiful view. I'll show you. Also, the snow-clad mountains, wherever I see, it feels like either Mansarovar or Adi Kailash. I don't know why it feels like that. So yeah, let's get going.
क्या करूँ
You see people walking there. That is the route to Bhairav Baba Mandir. And
भारत दिमाग में था 3 बार में तो होना चाहिए ना 3 बार भारत का भ्रमण किया भारत की संस्कृति बनाई भारत का जो है जो हमारे जो सनातन धर्म है उसको जो है एक सूत्र में आदि बाबा ने छीन लिया
okay, so we didn't know that it was International Yoga Day. That is Antarrashtriya Yoga Divas today, and the atmosphere was really amazing. Right beside the temple, you can see CRPF jawans, army personnel. They were doing yoga together. Watching them practice yoga in such a divine surrounding felt so inspiring, like a mix of discipline, devotion, and pure peace. This is the path. This is the path towards Bhairav Baba Mandir, and this is the view from here. I'll show you another beautiful view from the top. Definitely not an easy one. The climb is too steep, and सांस फूल रही है यार मेरी. Oxygen levels. It's so inclined. Can you see the view behind though? That keeps me going.
लगभग क्या होता है
500 meters. Never felt so far. Okay. Now the clouds are cleared. The sun is shining. And then is just Shri Kedar. And this right here is Bhairav Baba Mandir.
उनको पहले बताना दिया वो
Still,
बता दें तैयार होने के लिए
these many to go. Bhairavnath temple is located at 500 meters uphill from Kedarnath temple. It offers a panoramic view of the entire valley. He is considered as the Kshetrapal, that is the guardian deity of Kedarnath. Lord Bhairav is a fierce manifestation of Lord Shiva himself, representing destruction of evil. He carries a trishul, a trident, and a sword and is accompanied by a dog as his vahana. It is believed that without taking darshan of Bhairavnath after the Kedarnath temple darshan, the yatra remains incomplete. Pilgrims believe that praying to Bhairavnath ensures protection, courage, and removal of fear. Whenever Kedarnath temple closes for the winter months, the entire region is completely covered in snow and inaccessible due to extreme weather conditions. Lord Bhairav protects shrine and entire valley from demons, evil forces, and negative energies. the view that you get to see from the top is something which is just beyond mesmerizing and beautiful. As you can see, the snow clad mountains adding more to this beauty, and also the cool weather. Done with Bhairav Baba Mandir darshan. And, got a beautiful view of temple from the point, from the viewpoint, and the mandir. I'm super excited to already post this vlog on my channel for you guys to see this. I used to see this kind of background in my Pinterest folders which I'd saved. I was manifesting that I should get to see this background before I leave, and Har Har Mahadev, Jai Bholenath. Thank you so much, Yashika. Oh, I don't feel like leaving this place only. Every climb was worthwhile. Every place that we visited during this Chardham trip has been amazingly breathtaking. The views were to die for. I wish we were walking towards the temple and not away. I don't want to leave. What's with this helicopter? I don't understand. Why is it like this? Hiking down. Whatever you say. No more energy to even talk. Okay, see you in the base. We'll be reaching Gaurikund, I think, in another 45 minutes, if I'm not wrong. It was so hot upside, and now it is so cold and started drizzling already. Most unpredictable weather is in Kedarnath, not Bangalore. All 4 seasons you get to see here. Reached Kedarnath base trek, that is Gaurikund. Yeah, Gaurikund. Now going to Sonprayag. I'll show you the big queue that we are standing in to hire jeeps to reach Sonprayag and our homestay. Super happy, and you can't see that in my face because I'm very exhausted and tired right now. So I'll show you. It's 5:40 p.m. We are right now in front of the registration counter from where we started our trek. So this is where we showed our Aadhaar card and the Yatra registration certificates that we had in our individual names, and we started walking. The weather right now is like too cold, too cold, and it's raining non-stop. It started raining at 11 or 12 in the afternoon, and it's still not stopped. It's not subsided yet. So I'm damn hungry. Just waiting to go and have some yummy hot food. I'm feeling so exhausted. I also have caught up some fever, body pains and all that. Yesterday during evening aarti, a man of probably 100 kgs fell on my left side foot and I bruised my toes, but still I didn't want to miss walking, going to Bhairav Baba Mandir, so still somehow made it with great difficulty. But yeah, all is well that ends well. As I said, every climb was a worthwhile view and breathtaking. So after completing Kedarnath trek, we decided to head towards Triyugi Narayan temple. It's around 25 kilometers from Kedarnath by trek route, 10 to 12 kilometers from Sonprayag and 65 kilometers from Rudraprayag. Triyugi Narayan temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is considered extremely sacred because of its unique connection with Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati's divine marriage. According to the legends, after years of penance by Parvati to win Lord Shiva as her husband, the celestial wedding took place at Triyugi Narayan temple, where Lord Vishnu acted as Parvati's brother and performed all the rituals of Kanyadan. Lord Brahma himself was the priest for this cosmic wedding. This is a sacred fire which is called Akanduni. It is believed to have been burning since the time of wedding from three yugas, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga and Dwapara Yuga. Hence the name Triyugi Narayan, also called Vishnu of three yugas. Right outside the temple you will find four sacred kunds. Vishnu Kund, that is associated with Lord Vishnu. Taking a dip here is believed to bring harmony, balance and prosperity. Rudra Kund, associated with Lord Shiva. It is believed that bathing here washes away sins and grants inner strength. Brahma Kund, associated to Lord Brahma. It is believed that bathing here purifies mind and blesses one with wisdom. Saraswati Kund, dedicated to goddess Saraswati, and believed that river Saraswati originates from here and later merges with Alaknanda at Sonprayag. So this is all about Kedarnath vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed as much as I enjoyed trekking and filming this for you guys too. So do not forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, then don't forget to hit that bell icon to get the notifications every time I upload a new video on my channel. Thanks for watching. We did it! We made it!